Kumasi Asante Kotoko second friendly game for the first round season pre-season to the second round no abewie Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne TECHIMAN HEROES and a boy the Splash Adakojache training center ho Kumasi Asante Kotoko share 3 Emma TECHIMAN City and as TECHIMAN HEROES for no entimi ante baako kra goals no Oppong and Mukwala meka Oppong ana meka Oppong Neymar Mukwala and Bernard Somuah omune to atena no ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko ema Kotoko nya 3-0 win. This is the second win in the first round preseason. So ahead of second round. Obeka say Kotoko ne Future Stars a boy. Ema no so Kotoko share 1-0 at the winning. So far Kotoko Scoresheet no akoye 4 and Kotoko concede. Kotoko next game no baso Monday which is the MTN FA Cup round of 16. Eno no Kotoko ne Karela Kotoko beko tamale yenhye no so say game no say about Monday na yebebo sa game no eno no because of cup a friend J Kufo cup baso no eno na ama yatwe sa game we every ho na yede abehye Monday next week baso nti Kotoko flyer no that screen so no me wo news kakra bi ema na news we no news Asemo Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne Richmond Lamte deal no nkofo bi na machiri ha adwen but I will go into this one at the right time but say no blogger me dey ma no eno na was me dey ma but Kotoko ye fixtures no for the second round no abetodwa enti we dey wadaroma quickly ma me fam ansana matoa so Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye fixtures for the Ghana Premier League ye be call Accra Lions because Heart of Lions omunyina ye be call away because first one omunyina Baba Yara Sports Stadium I think so enti eno nso ade a wo say ye bookmarket na ye hye nso pa because February ni yawuram into February by 20th thereabouts ni yenya clear President J Kufo Cup ni wi a na just a league season no resume a Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye ni abre pa ye expect say league we ni ye beje ni akobo Africa FA Cup no so ye ni abre pa enti ene da screen so na Asante Kotoko SC GPL fixtures 2023-2024 which is the second round. Heart of Lions away, Baby any Go Stars home, Karela home, Accra Lions home, Adriana home, Nations FC home, Bechem United home, Insua Trema home, Dreams FC home, Samates Match Day 27 home, and Match Day 28 Mediama away, Legon Cities Match Day 29 home. Match Day 30 Brekum Chelsea away. Accra Suffolk yenti Match Day 31 home. Baba Yara. Match Day 32 Great Olympics home. Match Day 33 Rotamala United and a Match Day 34 Bofuakwa and also home. It's your last home game no yabebo against Bofuakwa. Si ye win league na ye de be coronation bibia otumfo Nyankopon emu Kumasi Asante Kotoko this season ni enje cup no.